Storytelling is about presenting a problem, offering a solution, and leading your audience to the future that benefits everyone. And today, we'll explore how Netflix used storytelling in their original pitch deck to secure the funding that turned them from a small idea into the streaming giant we know today. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you exactly how you can create your own story-driven presentation in PowerPoint. And yes, I'll share some templates to make it even easier. In Netflix original presentation, they didn't just introduce themselves, they introduced a problem. DVD rental late fees were frustrating for customers, and physical rentals were on the decline. Then they presented a solution, streaming video directly to your home, which eliminated late fees and made entertainment more convenient. Now, what's a good story without some compelling evidence? So Netflix backed it up with data showing the decline in DVD rentals and the rise in internet use, painting a clear picture of a digital future. Finally, they showed the audience the vision, a world where Netflix would dominate home entertainment and investors smiling all the way to the bank. So, how do you bring all of this together to create your own story-driven presentation? To put this in perspective, imagine you're leading a digital marketing department. Your team has been working hard on a new social media strategy to boost engagement and conversion rate, and you need to convince management to fund this project. So how do you make your pitch as compelling as Netflix? Here is what you can do. Start by introducing the main character, in this case you, and the problem you're trying to solve. Just like Netflix, begin by identifying the pain point. After setting the stage, clearly define the obstacle or challenge you're facing. What's holding you back? Why is this issue critical to address now? This is where you can show a simple chat engagement as it stands versus where it could be. Let your audience see the gap. Next, support your argument with data. Use data visualizations like charts or graphs, but keep it simple. You can highlight that over the last 6 months, engagement rates have plateaued, but with your new strategy, you project a 25% increase. And here comes the hero of your story, your solution. Present it in a way that feels achievable, not overwhelming. You can use visual aids like timelines and pie charts to make complex details easier to digest. Then include a success story or case study to show how your idea has worked elsewhere. This builds credibility and trust. And finally, end with a strong specific call to action. Here, you have to be clear-cut about what you're asking for and use a compelling visual that leaves no doubt about the benefits. By treating your presentation as a story, introducing a problem, offering a solution, and showing the bright future, you turn ordinary slides into compelling narratives that paints a clear picture of your idea and its benefits. So next time you're putting together a presentation, think like Netflix. Paint a clear picture, engage your audience, and leave them excited about what's next. Until next time, keep creating amazing presentations.